Moosehead baby. Moosehead take 2. Hopefully we can all stay well and healthy this trip. Take 2, yep. We don't want anyone getting sick. We don't want anyone getting hurt. No snafus, smooth ride. It is after work time. It's 5:30. We are heading up through Augusta. Estimated arrival is 7:37. I'm sure it's gonna be way later than that between potty stops and who knows what else. Never goes completely smoothly with the fam.
Tell the people where we're staying.
Staying at Airbnb off of the Hartford Point area of Moosehead Lake. And it's just the 4 of us coming up tonight. Me, Chris, Grace the 2-year-old, and Noelle the baby. And then tomorrow, both of my parents and my brother and his fiance are joining us. So we'll have a whole family weekend together to fish, hang out, enjoy. If we can get a nice fish on the ice, that's always a bonus when you're just fishing as a family. So it's gonna be a fun time. I hear the baby crying, so.
2 hours to go, folks.
Yeah.
We can't have cried yet.
All right. Little ice blocking the view. Let's see.
Yeah, this is impeding the old view down to the lake, so we'll see. Oh man.
Use the other side of the mop, honey.
Well, it's too hard. You want me to try? Okay. Hang on, folks.
It's gotta be a.
Oh.
Wow, that's heavy.
Oh.
We don't want to like go into. I think Grace wants her mop back that she was using. There. That works a little better than the Swiffer. Nice. Awesome. Opens up the view a little bit. Beautiful. Don't fall.
We might not die.
Yeah.
All right, folks. Here it comes. Here comes Liv. Liv's coming down to join me to set up. We got Evan and Bruce setting up with some crawlers for brookies.
We're out here.
Give a rundown. I think I got it covered.
It's windy. It's chilly. But we are at Moosehead Lake. And we're going to set our traps. Hopefully catch a fish.
Show you off your new bibs.
DSG. I can't remember the name of them.
DSG.
DSGs.
Yeah, you like them so far?
Love them. They got knee pads.
We're going to give you a review of these bibs. Knee pads. Holder for the flyers. You look professional. Let's get it. Oh! Just barely.
Oh, don't harm me.
Keep going, dude. Uh-oh.
To the handle.
To the handle. Ah, barely.
It's going pretty good.
Shaking his head.
Here comes Dad.
Oh, nice silk! Another flag!
Oh my god!
Yep, short. Yep, I'm gonna get back here. 16.
That's great. That's the salmon that we're letting go, people. Nice salmon. First fish of the trip, first flag and fish.
Yep.
Connected. So these salmon have to be 18 inches or over to keep. This one is going back home because he is 16-ish.
Oh, healthy salmon.
Nice.
Healthy salmon.
And now we have another flag.
Maybe it's a one flag.
Yeah, didn't you just do all your bait?
I did.
It's already buried?
Yeah, I just did.
Oh yeah, it's lunchtime.
The noontime salmon.
This will be the first day that I've actually fished the late bite.
Yeah, I know, right?
We usually don't get got it. That bite.
What?
I just saw that flag, but it's the same. Here we go.
It's like a mop.
He could have turned.
Did.
All right, guys, we got near whiteout conditions. We're out here moving things around, making sure the smelter are alive, cleaning out the holes. There's a lot of slush. It's probably blowing 15 to 20. We have these tree branches near all our traps. A lot of snowmobile traffic here. Group that was here before us had a trap run over, so we're making us well known, right, Liv?
That's right.
Give you an idea, look at this. Here's our setup.
Ain't a good start.
Looks pretty straight down. Oh, took some line. What was this one, Liv?
Smell, I'm sure. Not positive.
Going.
Gosh darn it. Oh,
Darn
we
it.
can all get dressed really fast. That's good. Perfect timing.
Alright, he just took it again. She just put it back down. Just put it back
Oh
down.
my god.
Oh yeah. Just put that smelt back down. I don't know. Bring him home. Yeah, it's real. Take. It's your not stuck. You're not stuck on the reel. See it spinning. See it spinning the whole nut. It might take the reel off.
Yep,
Got him?
yep, shaking.
Nice. Nice and easy. Let's go, Liv. Feel good?
Not huge, just coming kind of with it. There's my button. Definitely fighting. Come on, come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh! Nice.
That's a keeper, I
I
think.
think so.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Fat as heck.
Oh, that's a heck of a fish, Liv.
my God.
Oh, get that out of the hole. Oh, yes. Whoa, that's a keeper.
Fatty.
Just hold that right out. Wipe her off. Look at that fish. Oh, yeah. Nice, Liv.
Came right.
All right, guys, just landed this 18.5-inch salmon. That's keeper size. We're gonna hang on to this fish. Ooh, my first flag, first fish of the trip, and it's a nice one.
Nice. Woo, nice fish, Liv.
Love it.
Beauty.
Love it. Getting down here on the ice for Miss Grace for the first time today. The wind has calmed down quite a bit. The snow is definitely petering off. So a good time to get out for her. I would call it pretty easy walking. There's, you know, mostly just blown snow around. A few inches here and there. That's a deep spot she's in right now, but she can do it. You got it, baby. Evan and Michaela are checking our traps. Some other snowmobilers coming through. Dad's out there tending some traps. It's been a great first afternoon. You want to go on that? This is the life. You're just a toddler. You get pulled everywhere. I think we have all of the traps checked and bait checked. We're ready for the last 2 hours of fishing. Everything is alive and healthy. Doing good.
Come inside, just my nose is running.
Yeah. It's okay if I hold it first. I just wash my hands.
Sure.
Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet. Whoa, with a little bubble. A little bubble. What makes a little?
All right, it's about 5 o'clock. Got a closing day one flag. Ooh, something moving. Nice. Get it, Liv?
Anything with you feeling?
I think there might be something.
It looked like when you pulled that reel up.
Yeah, I think there's weight on it.
I don't think
it's
just
not going anywhere.
Yeah, I don't think the bait would do that. It's been up. What do you have on here, Liv?
Shiner on bottom.
Shiner.
Yep.
Might be on the ice. Like,
Yeah, just
nice.
Oh,
Here you
no,
go.
that was, it was on something.
probably
Ice,
gone now.
Maybe.
There might be a lot of dead line there too, so. Play it.
And this is my deep trap, but it's my one that does not have a button on it. So, I don't know.
No idea.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it back down and put it on for the rest of today. Let me get a picture of you with it.
That all happened really fast.
You even get it, Liv?
No, not coming out of the hole. That's all right. Oh my gosh, salmon number 3. After 5:30, folks, the pickup flag.
That's a salmon.
It's a salmon. Yeah. It's a dark salmon.
It is. I thought it was a rookie.
Look up at me, honey.
Michaela's first fish of the trip. Woo woo.
Nice bit.
I was way too excited to wait. I was sorry.
Yeah, that's all right. That's what it's all about.
It's right there.
Yeah. Wow.
Probably.
Did you guys see it go up or what? Did you see it go up?
Dad
Yeah.
yelled to us.
I'm gonna cut this one, Mick.
Yep.
We'll deal with that trapping tonight.
There we go.
Nice. That's what we want. A pickup flag.
He doesn't look very big though.
No,
No.
he has to go back in.
Yeah, it's not a keeper. Probably 16.
Hi, buddy.
Mine was.
Go.
There he goes.
There.
Not a breath of wind out here. Day 2, 6 in the morning. Absolutely gorgeous.
Here. Oh, straight down. Charlie. I wonder what she had on this.
Probably still on there.
Nope, it's not.
Really? No. Oh, it's been hammered.
Are you kidding me?
He's all screwed up.
Like, absolutely hammered.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. Look at this.
I assume,
What the heck?
yeah, I assume it's brookie was like
Yeah.
4.
Holy.
Flag number 2.
Button's right there. Just wondering if it's the same. I think it's the same deal. I think it's those. Oh, no, this is a worm.
Worm, no.
That's right. Okay. He'll be back. He's
He'll
in
be
the area.
back.
Yeah, worm. What the heck? Okay. All right. We're fishing. We're fishing.
Trying to.
Had to be.
Nice salmon in the hole. Everything's happening too fast.
I'm going to get a picture of it.
Dad, do you want to hold the line after I grab the fish?
It is after 6:30 in the morning. Just getting Gracie on the ice.
Grace, you want to see it? You want to see the salmon?
No, that's not right.
Come here. Let's go see it.
It's a nice one, hon.
Nice. Oh, beautiful sky in the background.
salmon?
Yeah. Oh, buddy.
Nice.
All right, Dad.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Salmon number 4 of the trip, people.
Sweet. First one of day 2.
Ladder.
It's going wicked. I gotta take
Yeah, take it. Take it.
Yeah, it's going fast. Oh, I swear to God.
It was, yeah, it's ripping.
I think that might have been the rip and spit right there.
What?
Yep.
Are you serious?
Nothing. I should have taken it.
Oh my God.
No. Yep. No. There it is.
Oh.
Yep, it's back.
Slack.
Gracie, come here.
Dad's got a fish on. See, he took some line. Oh, is this on bottom, Chris?
Nope.
Oh.
Ooh, feels pretty good. Feels pretty good.
Back up, Gracie. Go with Auntie Mick. Here, sweetie.
Feeling pretty good.
Holy crap.
That was a nice one.
That's a really nice freaking salmon. Head looks
Try to get it
big.
out. Bring it up to you.
Oh, fatty.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Got a boat right here.
We got the tape.
Look at that!
Oh, Kenny.
Yeah! Look at the salmon, Grace!
Say salmon!
Yeah!
Good job.
Boy, let's put him back.
Okay, what is
Wow,
that?
it
It's
looked,
right there. I mean,
it looked
I think
big.
I think it's legal, but
if we don't need it, we won't. That's
that's a
awesome.
beautiful
That's
fish.
great, Chris. I can
Everybody that's anybody's on the board. Love it.
Oh. Nice.
Woohoo! Welcome to Moosehead.
Yeah, they're
Was that like right 18 on the dot, pretty much?
Yeah, I mean, I think it was probably legal, like 18 1/4.
Maybe. Yeah.
But it's right there.
It was right there.
Right
Gracie, you're seeing all kinds of
We've
action,
already
honey.
had one, you know.
So we just had those 2 salmon on the ice, one after the other. You're doing good walking. Carry you. We're almost to the trap that we're checking. Gracie and I are walking around checking my bait. I had my traps in the water early, like 5:30, because I was already awake. So now it's in between 6:30 and 7. Grace is coming around with me. We're checking all of my bait, making sure we're still fishing. And yeah, it's a beautiful morning. It's breezy, but it's just so nice. You don't even need gloves on. Yeah, we're gonna check it.
Okay for you? You tired? Oh, I love you. Oh, you're so huh? Yeah, we can go on a snowmobile ride.
Okay, official good morning, everybody. Everyone's pretty much all set up, I think. We're fishing 25 traps today in front of camp, same as yesterday afternoon when we were all first getting here. Already this morning we have 2 salmon on the ice. One was definitely short. We didn't measure it, probably like 16 inches. The one that Chris just caught was close to being a keeper, right around 18, but we kept that one yesterday, so we don't keep all the fish that we catch. We're catch and release for the most part. But yeah, I've got one more trap to check. I'm just going around and checking my bait, making sure all of the smelts that I'm fishing are happy, swimming, functioning, doing their job, and so far they have been, so that's great. Today, weather-wise, right now it's bluebird in some areas, but as you can see over the mountains, there's some clouds. Temperature-wise, not sure exactly what the degree is, but lovely is how I would describe it. It's lovely out. Now the sun's really poking through, as you can tell. But yeah, we're here fishing all day today. Today's Friday. Here all day today, all day tomorrow, and heading home on Sunday, but we'll probably fish a few traps in the morning because I was up at like 4:30 this morning. So yeah, it's just awesome out. It's a beautiful day. So Grace has been out here with us. She just went on a little snowmobile ride and setting some traps with Auntie and Uncle. So it's good. It's a beautiful day. Little sister's inside with Grammy. It's all good. Bring your babysitters ice fishing. Bring your babysitters ice fishing. Hey, you never know. Dog's watching too. Stay back here, baby. No closer.
dog was running, Gracie, huh?
No.
Huh?
No.
Smelt, yep.
Smelt on there.
I don't know. Mine came back, so I don't know how much line is on. It might still be there.
Look at the line that thing's
My gosh.
Could have circled
It
back.
could not have been up that long, right?
Right.
Dad, did you put bait on yours or no?
I haven't yet.
There's our button.
Mm.
And it's still in there.
And don't let dog steal your cheese either. So it was like bluebird this morning, but as you can see, the clouds are kind of closing up over there. And then behind me is like totally whiteout conditions. So it's not supposed to snow all day like this, but definitely some squalls moving through. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Grace apparently doesn't like the snow. Crazy. Kind of nice having a few different storm fronts coming and going, just to mix up the fishing a little bit.
That's the worm, right? Something weird. Hey, Brookie! You got it!
Oh my god.
I did. The smallest brookie.
Smallest one in Moosehead.
That's a good sign, though. Little sucker.
What a little bebopper. Zepco, watch out.
That is an action.
That is.
Breed stuff, I think.
That is too funny. Hey, you're on the board, Bruce.
I gotta cut that. How do you even get that hook in there? That explains why you ripped me off a couple times. That is crazy. Yeah, no skunking for me, boy. Big fish.
Good one.
That is crazy.
I am. I got it.
Oh, Baker. Is that just under the ice lift?
Yeah, it was like 6 or 7 feet down. Oh my god.
Nice.
Good job. Nice. That's awesome. First laker of the trip. We're gonna let it go. All good, Chris? Chris? Huh?
I'd eat it.
You want to keep it?
I'd eat it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
All right, keeping it.
Awesome. All right, guys, this is like the 19-inch lake trout that I just landed way out there. We're in the lee nice here with the wind, so it's a little bit easier to talk, but took a bunch of line out. I only had it set for salmon is what I was expecting, about 6 feet under the ice, 4 to 6 feet under the ice. So very surprised to catch this laker, but very thrilled as well. So first laker of the trip. It's a nice one. We're gonna keep it.
Nice.
Second fish that we're keeping of the trip.
Beauty.
I'm excited. Not a big size at the moment, but shaking. Coming right with it. Feels small.
Oh, wow.
Small little. Oh, little salmon.
Nice,
Nice.
Not a small.
Looks like a cutter, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me cut it, Liv.
Sure. Now that you're right there. Nice salmon to release.
There we go.
Awesome.
Yeah. Right up here.
Nice, nice.
Really healthy salmon.
Awesome.
Okay. Looks like a lot of line's been taken out. Zeb. Come here, Zeb. Come here. No idea what he's got for line on there, but it looks like a lot was taken off.
It feels like it's getting
Oh, there you go.
close. Salmon.
That's the same as yours.
Yep.
Cutter. Oh, that's a
Nice.
good
Nice
one, baby.
wild.
He's wild.
Blowing about 25. Look at this. Almost engulfed to the flag. Woo! It's windy out here. Alright guys. Just got back tending that flag here. This one's probably like 25 feet away and it's going nice and slow.
Feel it?
Got it. Definitely salmon.
Oh, nice. Good job, Benny.
Nice fish. Ooh, man. Look at that beauty.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Nice male salmon.
Nice. Let's see.
Hooked up. There's something there. Yeah. You feel it? Yeah. Zebby. Something on there, Bruce. Yep. Zeb, go. You're hanging away, buddy. Nice salmon. Nice salmon.
Wow! Awesome.
Cutter. I don't know. Is it? Oh, whoa.
It's a fight. Good job, Jeff.
What's for dinner, Liv?
We are making lasagna, not homemade.
Who's it? Who is it?
Stouffer's.
Stouffer's homemade lasagna?
Stouffer's lasagna. Hey, no one has time to make a homemade lasagna when you're fishing on the ice all day. So Stouffer's lasagna, some crusty bread,
What is that? We got a little.
Hanford rosemary olive oil, and then I have some bag salad mixes. So easy, simple. No one's slaving over a meal here.
Nice.
We're here to fish, so
Yum.
it'll be good. Another 45 minutes on the lasag.
What's for dessert?
Nothing really.
Brownies?
Not even that. We've got like maybe popcorn.
We are wrapping up day 2.
All right, guys, I'm gonna save you the brutal wind in this audio and give you the recap that Chris is talking about. We're highlighting that we caught a total of 12 game fish on the ice over the past 2 days, and the highlights of today were the beautiful 20-inch laker that Liv caught, and the 18.5-inch salmon that Chris got, as well as 4 to 5 other smaller salmon. Chris is just talking about how it's a little bit after 5 o'clock now and he's starting to pick some stuff up, and we are going to settle in for the night and have some good food. That lasagna is still cooking in the oven, and we are going to be at it early in the morning and hopefully get some good salmon. There's a few snow showers that are going to be coming and going tomorrow, so hopefully fishing those storm fronts and seeing what's going to happen. It is a cold and windy morning.
Very.
But we're out here. We got a little bit of snow last night.
It's probably 17 degrees, blowing 20 to 30.
I think it actually said it was 11 this morning. And yeah, it's
Look out this way.
it's cranking, so we're gonna do our best to just get stuff in the water and
This is when the big fish, when the people that sit in the camp that don't fish, people that get out there, it's the people that get out there in this stuff that get the monster.
Let's try.
Here we go.
Good job.
Nice. We're gonna leave them in the hole because it's so cold here. Nice.
Woohoo!
Right.
Take a second to recover.
Holy sucker. I think my spot was pretty much dead when I hooked him too, so this is the one I didn't expect anything to happen. What you guys have?
A nice like 14, 15 incher, and then Liv had one and lost it. She had it on for a little bit.
You got bait yet?
No,
Oh, you don't have any?
I got some.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
I'll go grab one for you.
Okay guys, I am hiding behind the shack for a buffer. Chris and I just went around and checked all of our traps, replaced some smelt because they've been dying on us. Like 4 or 5 of our traps, of our 10 traps, had dead smelt on them, so we replaced those. And now we're changing a couple over and gonna put some suckers on and drop them down for Lakers. So we're gonna do that right now. It's definitely petered off. We just had that one salmon this morning that Chris got. It's been slow otherwise, but still very windy and very cold. The wind chill I think is like 0-ish, Cannot have my hands out of my gloves for very long at all. All right, you see Chris out there doing his thing. I'm gonna go join him. The audio is not gonna be good in the wind. I can barely see what's going on.
All right, folks, we're gonna sound, see how deep we got here. We're gonna set this one for lake trout. Some nice suckers.
We're putting on nice little eager sucker.
Guts hanging out.
Guts hanging out with the tail trimmed, going down. We've got about 30 feet of water here, so he'll be off the bottom. He is. Down to the ice for one of the last times. It has been a very, very slow fishing day. That storm front moved in last night, and we've been on the other side of it since 9 this morning. And we haven't had a flag in hours and hours and hours. To be fair, I haven't really been tending my traps either, but it's been a no fish kind of day, so gonna start picking them up soon. Alright guys, we are loaded up and heading home. Definitely a whirlwind getting everything packed and loaded. The kids are over the trip, they've had a good time, but everyone's kind of ready to be back home, get situated for the week. It's been a fun time. Yesterday was a almost zero fish day. Just caught the one salmon. Other than that, it was just nothing but biting. We're going to our house. So now we're just packed up. We've got about 2.5 hour ride back home. And then we gotta unpack everything and get ready for the work week. It's been an awesome trip. Good family time yesterday. Played a few games. Went on a cross-country ski with my mom. It was good. Yeah, the rest of everybody is going to Kelly's Landing for breakfast. We are skipping out on that because our little rascals, I don't think, will tolerate that stop. So we're just gonna book it home. But no, it's been a really nice time. It'll be good to be back home in our own beds. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We'll see you next time in future adventures. Fish often, adventure always. Thank you for coming